Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Shreya, your computer science faculty. See, children, in our last class we discussed about Boolean algebra. Okay, that is Boolean gates and the Boolean addition, that is 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 and 1 plus 1. Okay, today let us discuss some more laws related to Boolean algebra. Okay. See, children, in Boolean algebra, there are some fundamental laws. Okay, there are some fundamental laws. Okay, these laws are called basic postulates of Boolean algebra. Basic postulates of Boolean algebra. Here we have four postulates. Postulate 1 or the law 1 says that if x not equal to 0, then x equal to 1. If x not equal to 0, then x equal to 1, or if x not equal to 1, then x equal to 0. Okay. First postulate says that if x not equal to 0, then x equal to 1. Then if x not equal to 1, then x equal to 0. Okay, this postulate is very clear. If x not equal to 0 means then x equal to 1. Here x not equal to 1 means then x equal to 0. Second postulate says about OR relation. OR relation means logical addition. That is, second postulate says that 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Okay. Then 0 plus 1 equal to 1 and 1 plus 0 equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, that is second postulate. Next one, third postulate. Third postulate says about logical multiplication. That is 0 dot 1 is equal to 0, 1 dot 0 is equal to 0, 0 dot 0 is equal to 0 and 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. This is third postulate. Okay, first postulate says that if x not equal to 0, then x equal to 1. Then if x not equal to 1 means x equal to 0. Second postulate says about logical OR. That is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Third postulate says about logical multiplication. That is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 dot 0 is equal to 0, 0 dot 1 is equal to 0, 1 dot 0 is equal to 0 and 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. Next one, fourth postulate. That is complementary rules. Fourth postulate is complementary rules. That is 0 bar is equal to 1 and 1 bar is equal to 0. Okay, so these are the basic postulates of Boolean algebra. You should by heart all the postulates and all the laws. Okay, next I will explain different types of laws. Okay, you have to by heart all the laws and postulates, otherwise you can't prove a theorem. Clear? Next one, principle of duality. Principle of duality is a very important law in Boolean algebra. It states that starting with a Boolean algebra, we can derive another relation. Starting with a Boolean algebra, we can derive another relation. Okay, there are some rules to derive another relation. The first one says that each and change into OR. That is, each dot change into plus. Okay. Second principle says that each OR change into AND. That is, each plus change into dot. Then third one says that 0 change into 1 and 1 change into 0. Okay, these are the three principles of principle of duality. That is, first one says that each AND can change into OR, that is dot change into plus. Second principle says that each OR can change into AND, that is plus can change into dot. Third principle says that 0 can change into 1 and 1 can change into 0. These are the three principles of duality. So the relation derived by using this principle of duality is called dual of original expression. Okay, the new expression or the new relation derived by using the principle of duality is called dual of original expression. The basic postulates of Boolean algebra are used to define basic theorems of Boolean algebra that are necessary to solve a Boolean expression. Okay, see here we have some basic theorems. Okay, the first theorem says that properties of 0 and 1. Properties of 0 and 1. Properties of 0 and 1 says that 0 plus x equal to x and 1 plus x equal to 1. See, you have to study all these in the same order. Okay. Properties of 0 and 1, first one 0 plus x equal to x, then second one 1 plus x equal to 1, third one 0 dot x equal to 0 and last one 1 dot x equal to x. Okay, now let us prove these theorems by using truth table. Okay, here the first truth table for 0 plus x equal to x. So 0 plus x equal to x. Okay. So these are the columns 0, x and r. R is the output. Okay, the first column 0. So you can write all the inputs are 0. The next one x. X may be either 0 or 1. So here 0 and 1. Okay, then 0 plus x. Okay, so 0 plus x equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. That is postulate second. Okay, according to second postulate, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So hence it is proved. Okay, hence it is proved. Then second one, 1 plus x equal to 1. Okay, so here 1 plus the columns are 1, x and r. Okay, first column is 1, then you can write all the digits are 1. Here second column is x. X may be either 0 or 1. X may be either 0 or 1. So first one 1 plus 0. Okay, here 1 plus x. So 1 plus 0. According to second postulate, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Hence it is proved. According to second postulate, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Hence the properties of second one, that is 1 plus x equal to 1 is proved. Okay. Then third one 0 dot x equal to 0. Okay, 0 dot x. So we can take the first column values as 0. Second one x. X may be either 0 or 1. Okay. So 0 dot, that is, this one is postulate 3. Postulate 3 defines logical multiplication. So here 1 dot 0 is equal to 0 and 1 dot 0 dot 0 is equal to 0 and 0 dot 1 is equal to 0. So here 0 dot x equal to 0. This one is proved. According to third postulate, 0 dot 0 is equal to 0 and 0 dot 1 is equal to 0. Hence it is proved. Okay. The last property is 1 dot x equal to x. So you can take the values 1 x r. So this is the column for 1 0 x. Okay, first one is 1, then you can write 2 ones. Next one is x. X may be either 0 or 1. Okay. 1 dot 0 is equal to 0 and 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. That is which value, that is here 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Which value is given in x, that value will be in output. Then we can say that 1 dot x is equal to x. Okay, this is 1 dot x, that is equivalent to this column x. So this one is proved by postulate 3, that is logical multiplication. Okay, so this is properties of 0 and 1. So first we discussed postulates, basic postulates. Okay, basic postulate. First one says that if x not equal to 0, then x equal to 1. Second one says that if x not equal to 1, then x equal to 0. Second postulate says that logical OR. Okay, that is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Third one says that logical multiplication, that is 0 dot 0 is equal to 0, 0 dot 1 is equal to 0, 1 dot 0 is equal to 0 and 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. And last one says complementary rules, that is 0 bar is equal to 1 and 1 bar is equal to 0. Okay, the next one, basic theorems. In basic theorem, first one is properties of 0 and 1. These properties of 0 and 1 we proved by using basic postulates 1 to 4. Then principle of duality. Principle of duality says that starting with a Boolean relation, we can derive another relation by changing each or into and each and into or. They replace all zeros into ones and all ones into zeros. Okay. Then a new relation derived by using these rules is called dual or original expression. Clear? The next one is idempotence law or idempotence law. Okay. This law states that x plus x equal to x and x dot x equal to x. See, this is theorems 2. Idempotence law, x plus x equal to x and x dot x equal to x. Okay. Now let us prove by using truth table. So this is truth table for x plus x equal to x. X plus x equal to x. So we can give two values for x. See here both values are same. So x may be either 0 or 1. So when it is 0, this one also will 0. So here 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. That is, you can have a postulate 2 or okay. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Here 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. You can refer postulate 2 again. Okay. So hence it is proved. That is x plus x equal to x. Whatever the value given in x, we get the same values as output. So x plus x equal to x is proved by using postulate 2. Next one, x dot x equal to x. See, this is the truth table for x dot x. So you can give two values for x, 0 and 1. Okay, then logical multiplication. So 0 dot 0 is equal to 0 and 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. Okay, according to postulate 3, 0 dot 0. 0 dot 0 is equal to 0 and 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so this theorem is also proved by using third postulate. Okay, that is logical multiplication. So this one is called idempotence law. So idempotence law states that x plus x equal to x and x dot x equal to x. Clear? Next one, involution law. Okay, involution law says that x bar all bar is equal to x. X bar all bar is equal to x. So we can prove by using truth table. First you can take x, then take x bar, then x bar all bar. Okay. Then for x two values 0 and 1. X bar means complement of 0. So 0 complement 1, 1 complement 0. Then here x bar all bar again complement. So complement of 1 is equal to 0, 0 is equal to 1. So we can see that this 0 and 1 is same as 0 and 1. That is x column and x bar all bar column both are same. Hence it is proved that is x bar all bar is equal to x. Okay. This one is called involution law and it is also called double inversion rule. Okay. This involution law is also called double inversion rule. And second law, next one says that complementarity law. Next one is complementarity law. Okay, complementarity law says that x plus x bar is equal to 1 and x dot x bar is equal to 0. X plus x bar is equal to 1 and x dot x bar is equal to 0. Now let us prove by using truth table. Here x bar and x plus x bar. So the values for x is 0 and 1. X bar is the complement. So 0 complement 1, 1 complement 0. Okay. Then x plus x bar according to second postulate, according to second postulate 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So this one also proved. Okay, both columns are x plus x bar is equal to x plus x bar. Okay, so it is proved. That is x plus x bar is equal to 1. Both values are 1. Okay, the next one x dot x bar is equal to 0. So this is suitable for x dot x bar. So the possible values for x is 0 and 1. Then 0 bar 1 and 1 bar 0. Okay, 0 bar 1 and 1 bar 0. Okay, fourth postulate. Okay, postulate 0, 0 bar is equal to 1 and 1 bar 0. Then x dot x bar. Okay, according to third postulate, 0 dot 1 is equal to 0 and 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so here 0. So x dot x bar is equal to 0. Hence this one is proved by using third and fourth postulate. Okay, this one is proved by using third and fourth postulate. Okay, so children, today we discussed some more laws. First one, basic postulates of Boolean algebra, then principle of duality, then the basic theorems. First one, properties of 0 and 1, then idempotence law, involution law, and last one, complementarity law. Okay, I hope you all understood all these topics. See children, you should by heart all the laws, otherwise you can't prove a theorem. Okay, then you can work out this by writing. Okay, write and study all these laws. Okay, then see you again with another topic. Till then, take care. Bye.